Hey everybody, welcome back to Lone Wolf Picker. Looks like my phone is having difficulty focusing either on Ryan Sandberg or the pack we're going to open today. So we'll kind of move Rhino for the time being so we can focus in on the Texas Javelin racing cards. Randomly inserted victory cards, gold foil stamped. Ernie Irvin number 28. 8 trading cards. Let's pop into this. See what you got. All right. Promo card up here or something. All right. Wave of the Future. Texaco Javelin racing card. Pit. All right. There we have Dave Kriska. Dennis Green. James Luter, Mike Bumgarden, Robert Yates Parking. There's Richard Yates. And we end with Raymond Fox III. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're like me in the racing, but you don't know a lot of people, you probably knew absolutely nobody in this pack, but I really do appreciate you watching, and it's always fun to open different things that I've never seen before. Hope you guys have a good day. Take care.